Good morning, my beautiful people. I wish you a very happy new year. May 2021 bring a lot of health, wealth, and happiness into your life and to all your family members. So, these are my 5 top New Year resolutions that I am going to work on. If you like these, you can start similar resolutions as well. So, even before I start setting resolutions or goals for a year, I start to think of a theme, a focus point for the entire year on which I will be working no matter what. That one thing or one area of my life that needs the most attention. Last year, my theme was my family and relationships. The reason being, I was too much occupied with my job, and somehow my job became my only priority. But this year, since I have worked a lot on my relationships and giving time to my family and my daughter, I'm very satisfied with the way it all worked. The first and foremost resolution for me is to work on my passion. Yes, my passion, my love is content creation. And no matter how much I can earn from a 9 to 5 job or what position do I rise to, the satisfaction I get in creating content can never be compared to the money. So, my aim is to content amazing content that can touch your life, that can help you learning something and help you become a better and a beautiful human being. If you have a passion too, something that you love more than anything else, start taking out time for this. No matter if it is 1 hour or 30 minutes, just take out small amount of time and gradually you will be able to make wonders. Resolution 2. It's going to be focusing on my health. It's been so long that I have been promising myself a good health, but I'm 100% sure that this year I will be able to make this change. Though I have been able to improve my diet because I have done a lot of portion control and have stopped eating out. However, it can still be better, especially in terms of exercise. So, this year, my entire focus is going to be my health, which includes having nutritious food and working out. The reason I failed in working out so many years is because my focus was losing weight and not self love. Whereas the real meaning of working out is for feeling better, feeling light, and feeling healthy. The reason cannot be becoming skinny and trying to fit in a certain jeans. Whatever your body size is, all you got to do is move it a little bit and feel better and happier. So if you have failed like me in past, do let me know by commenting below and we can probably start a series of video together in which both of us can work together and make ourselves a little more healthier. So the best way to love yourself this year is to start working out. So resolution 3 is to focus on my life and not be affected by what others have to say about me. Being an emotional person is a tough job. I understand those of you who are emotional like me must have felt the same. It is so difficult to handle other people talking bad about you, fighting with you. So this year, rather than distancing myself from the person, I would like to face such challenges more and at least present my side of argument without annoying the person or without disrespecting or raising my voice. I think the way we talk and the way we handle these emotional situations is a very, very important part of our lives, and we all should get some kind of training on this. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do here through my videos. I have a lot of videos on similar topic. You might like to check them later. My resolution 4 is to start learning again. Yes, this is one area where I totally lack, especially from last 1 year. I have not really learned anything new. So this year I want to polish my skills. I have a list of things that I would like to brush up myself on. For example, content creation, for example, blog writing. So I'll probably work on any one of the area. I even like singing, so I'll pick just one of it and will try the other thing next year. Next resolution is strengthening my finances. I have always been very scared of this topic. Though I earn money, I still haven't been able to manage it properly. And when I say manage, I don't mean keeping it in a savings account or a recurring deposit. What I mean is investments. So I want to learn more about investing my money. Until I can learn about it, I would take help from my husband and start investing my money in the right place. And the bonus one, though it isn't a goal, it is a reminder to all of us, all the daughters who are listening to this. We all are moms, but we are all daughters first. So this year, my resolution is to take care of our parents a little more. We do spend a lot of time with our husband's parents, but do we actually give the similar amount of attention to our parents? If we do, that's great. But this year, I want to spend more time with them. I have never missed my parents so much as I did during this corona times. I still haven't met them from a long time. So this year I would want to meet them as much as possible and spend as much quality time as possible with them. I want to take them to places and help them as much as I can. They have made our lives beautiful with their blessings and with their sacrifices. So this year it's going to be a lot about them. Alright, so this is all from my end. Let me know what are your resolutions for this year 2021, and if any one of the pointers that you liked, mention that in the comment below as well. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, as every subscription makes a huge difference in my life. Do check out other videos on my channel too. I would see you in the next episode. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. Happy New Year.